Welcome Bilas Wanita event 3rd anniversary respect. Tunjukkan penampilan terbaik kalian and good luck.
Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one ever hold? Looking around here you think, sure, she's got everything. I've got gadgets and kids was aplenty. I've got who's it's and what's its color. You all thinking about? I've got 20, but who cares? No big deal. I want more. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing, walking around on those, what you call them? Oh, feet. Flipping to vince, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along down what starts again? Street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun. Wandering free, wish I could be part of that world. What would I give if I could live out of these waters? What would I pay to spend a day warm on the sand? Better on land, they understand, but they don't reprimand their daughters. Bright young women, sick of swimming, ready to stand, ready to know what the people know. Ask them my question and get some answers. What's the fire? What does it? What's the word? But when it's my time, wouldn't I love to explore and surround out of the sea. Wish I could be part of that
Keren. Semoga Anda jadi juaranya. Bersama musik kita bersatu.